Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be working on search an element in an array where difference between adjacent element is 1. And then the array I will be using is 876765432343. So we are searching for element 3 and the output will be find an index. So 3 will be at index of 7 for the array that I previously stated. And also we should remember that the difference between the adjacent element is 1. So for example, if we have the first element of this array is 8, the next one is 7. So 8 minus 7 is what? 1. 1 is the difference. Let's do this problem. What is the approach we can go for this problem is iterate the array through a while loop, and we will be searching if the array of I equals to my search element, which is 3. If it is, we'll be returning the index. Else we will be using a temp, and we will use an absolute of subtracting between the first element minus the next element of it. So for example, our first element, the array of I is at index 0, right? So array of I is index at index 0 is 8. The next element of 8 is 7. If 8 minus 7 is equal to equal to 1, right? And so we just gonna store that to temp, and then we will be incrementing our I based on the temp in the else statement. Let me write the code right now, and I'll be coding in Python. So in Python, diff is a function, and my function name will be search element. And we will be passing our array and the search element. And we will have I equals to 0 at the initial, and we will have a while loop where I will be saying I less than the length of my array. And now I'll have an if statement where I will be checking if array of I is search. So if it is, we will simply return I. Else we will use our temp variable and an absolute of array of I minus search. So basically what we're keeping in the absolute is we wanted to make sure that array of I subtract the search. So we wanted to check if 8 minus we want to check if 8 minus the search, which is 3, 8 minus 3 is not 1. So we will be storing that 5 will be your, for example, for this 8, our first element of the array is 8, and we're searching for 3 in the array. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So we will use absolute because what if our in this case 8 minus 3 is 5. What if 3 it's not 8, some lower than 3, and if we're subtracting it, we may get negative. So we don't want that, and we just want to know the difference where the element will occur. So that is a temp. So we know it's gonna happen after 5. So we wanted to make sure that 8 minus 3 we're gonna say store the temp equals till the 5. So array will check in our array which I stated 8 minus 3 is 5. So 0, 1, 2. So at the fifth element, at index of 5, we have element of 5, so which is not 3. It would have been 3 if we keep on incrementing 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, but we didn't do that. We did 8, 7, 6, 7, 6, 5. So at the index of I, we didn't have a 3. So but then our index will increment at temp. Again we'll go to the while loop, and then we will check if array of I equals to search. So in this case, at index of I, which is 5, and the element is 5, which is not 3. So array of 5 is not 3, so we will not return that index. We'll go to the else, and we will subtract in this case 5 minus 3. So the difference is 2. So we should have an element at index of 5 plus, so it should occurring after. So I was at 5, now we'll increment to plus 2, 5 plus 2. Now we'll check which is what, 7, right? Index of 7, array of I, in our if statement, is it 3? Yes, it is 3, so it will just return I, so that we found our index, which is 7. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my video, please come back and watch it again. Thank you.